Hi everyone, today in this video I will show you how I create my full coloring book use just ChatGPT and Gemini for free. I go to ChatGPT and tell him to give me set prompt for create a full set page of coloring book with cover design and click generate this pages. Click generate. Now ChatGPT it's give me a prompt for generate the cover of my coloring book, and I will copy it from ChatGPT. I copy these prompts. Let's copy it here, and I will go to a Gemini. It's free to use. I pass the prompt for create me the cover of my coloring books. This is my cover. Gemini it's generated. Let's review it. Now this my cover. It's clean, simple, and easy. And go to Canva and upload in my cover here. Let's optimize the size. Good. Now I will go back to ChatGPT for a copy the prompt for generate my first coloring page. Copy it. Go to Gemini. Pass the prompts. And let's review it, what Gemini generated for me. This is the my first page. Upload it on Canva, optimize it, and just repeat the same structure for create your full book. Go to ChatGPT, copy the prompts, and go to Gemini. And here it's last my page. Optimize it here. That's it. Here the last page. Copy it from ChatGPT. Pass the prompt on Gemini. All this is for free. And this is the finished page. Upload it on Canva. That's it. Now here my full coloring books generated by ChatGPT and Gemini. You can generate more than page, but this is a just example. And here click on share, click on download, and choose the PDF. Click on PDF and download it. And here my book it's uploaded. It's finished. Now this is the cover, the page, all it's good with simple style. And I will show you how you can promoting like this coloring book on TikTok. I will show you how to create a video, how to turn your coloring page into video and upload it on TikTok and promote it to Amazon, to your page on Amazon. Like all these people do, it's generated video about their coloring books and driving traffic to their Amazon page. Now, just go to this AI software. You find the link in the description. It's turn your coloring page into a video. You don't need to record your book on camera. Just click on create, upload your page, your image page. Want to turn it into video like this? Click here, and here we choose the templates. Here are the 5 templates. Choose one, and here we added the title of your book, your coloring book, and here the hook. Here a lot of hook. You can add anyone you like it. And here you added a call to action for drive anyone see the video to your link in bio for buy your book. And here camera style, and click this, and the video is start coloring. Your page it starts coloring with AI. Look, it starts coloring. You don't need to color in the page for yourself and recording your book. Just upload your book into Forge AI and it's turn it into video. You can turn your video into you can turn your coloring book into a limited video to promoting on TikTok and Instagram and Facebook. Now the video it's ready. Just click to download and it start downloading to your desktop. If you want to try this AI software, it's you find the link in the description, and see you the next one.